Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, today my group and I will practice English drama. The motion is Use Motorbike by Minor. First, my name is Revaldo Giovino, number 29. And
My name is Sabila Media, number 30.
My name is Adlia Konitara Termindias, number 1. My name is Lutfi Putri Kholikia, number absent 17.
My name is Heteri Nagaputra Laksmana, my number is 15.
My name is Muhammad Inggar Bernutin, my number 21.
Friends, do you know what the news is all about lately?
Whoa, what news is that?
That's it, news about accidents. They say the most of the victims were minors.
That yesterday I heard of it.
wow, that's very nice. What do you think about use of motorbike by minors?
Of course, I don't agree,
Why don't you agree?
because they have to comply with the rules that have been set regarding the age limit for riding motorbikes. I agree with Nikita's opinion because you say that the use of motorbikes by minors is very dangerous.
That's right. They don't have the experience and ability to drive a vehicle well.
Yes, they don't fully understand and the dangers that occur on the roads.
But apart from that, minor have right to ride motorbikes, right?
That's right, but they must be accompanied by responsibility and appropriateness in accordance with applicable regulation.
I don't agree with that statement because the banning on minors from using motorbike can hinder their mobility in carrying out daily activity.
That's right, I agree with Alto's opinion. For example, children who live in remote areas with minimal public transportation may be prevented from reaching school.
Even though there is limited access to public transportation, the use of motorbikes by minors remains the increase and the risk of serious service.
So how do they carry out their activities if there is no public transportation and they don't use their private vehicles?
We can look for alternative transportation for them, such as being accompanied by their parents.
So what if their parent can take them because need something?
We can use online motorcycle taxi service, which are safer and motorcycle.
But what if the situation for you, motorbikes be the only option available at time?
We can look for alternative solutions that do not involve the use of motorbikes by minors.
That's right. For example, you could ask a neighbor or an older person for help.
Can we ensure that a newborn will always be available to help in emergency or urgent situation?
It's likely that help is available in urgent situation.
But if neighbors still can help, what step can they take?
If there is no other choice, they will have to use a motorbike. However, you must still be careful and use proper safety equipment.
What does proper safety and equipment look like?
Yes, for example, by wearing a helmet, jacket, and carrying a vehicle registration certificate.
Why do you have to carry that safety equipment? That's important.
Because this item is very important for our safety. That's right, so don't forget to wear the right safety equipment.
But without wearing a helmet, I didn't have accident.
But that really happened.
Even though it hasn't happened yet, using a helmet is still important to reduce the risk of serious accident.
Totally agree. Helmets are mandatory equipment that can save lives in accident.
But wearing a helmet is very compatible and troublesome.
But we have to prioritize our safety above all else, even if it is a little troublesome.
But in my experience, no one in my family that have had an accident because they didn't wear a helmet.
Yes, that's right. It is like at my house too.
Don't be like that. There are lots of people in the news who have had accidents.
Yes, that's true. Just imagine if suddenly happened. Would you still be able to talk like that?
About that, only in the news.
But the news comes from Inger's true story.
Why are you guys so stubborn? This is for your own good. Yes, that's really annoying. Driving should not be rescued just because of temporary temporary, but
can accident that happen to other people in the news be used on benchmark for our
That should be a warning to all of us.
that's right. We should increase awareness of the importance of driving safety.
But besides that, there are many benefits from using a motorbike.
What are the benefits?
There are many by using motorbike, we can reach our destination more quickly and efficiently, especially in areas that are difficult to reach by public transportation.
Apart from that, using a motorbike can help us learn to be independent, managing our own time and travel.
And riding a motorbike can teach important driving skill from the early age, preparing for safe riding in the future.
Even though there are benefits from using motorbikes, we still have to consider the associated risks, especially if used by minors.
Okay, I will remember it and I apply it when I driving. Thanks for the explanation.
That's right. From now on, I will always prioritize safety when driving.
Okay, that's all from me. See you next time. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
See you next time.